In 1509, a naval battle opened the way for Portuguese dominance in the Indian Ocean. In the early 16th century, Portugal faced a powerful coalition including forces from Gujarat, Mamluk Egypt, and regional allies. At the Battle of Diu, Francisco de Almeida led the Portuguese response. Victory came from effective naval artillery, combat organization, and accumulated maritime experience. The clash did not end all resistance, but it changed the balance of power on ocean routes. Here is the curious part: many historians see Diu as a turning point in Indian Ocean naval warfare.